They're so good, like, watch, see? So good. Hey there, welcome to my channel, Natural Tasty Chef. Today I want to show you how to make these tortillas. They're vegan, they're gluten-free, they're paleo, and they fit a candida diet. One of my favorite recipes. So as you can see, they're stretchy, they're soft, they're bendy, they're perfect for your favorite tacos, like if you want to put egg or fish or any ground turkey, ground beef. I make these on a regular basis in my house, maybe once or twice a week. They freeze really easily too. Cassava flour is neutral in flavor, so these are also going to be the closest thing to like a traditional flour tortilla that you're going to find that has no gluten in it. So I think you're going to love this recipe. Cassava is a root vegetable and it is gluten-free, grain-free, and nut-free. So it's really awesome for someone that's on a specialty diet, someone that has food allergies. This is a really great root vegetable to get familiar with. And this is Otto's brand, is the brand that I really like, and I found that it's really consistent. Every time I buy this brand, the flour acts similarly. Other brands of cassava flour might be more moist or more dry, so if you're using a different brand, just keep that in mind. You might need to alter the water ratio in the recipe slightly. They're so good, like, watch, see?